Hi YouTuber, welcome to my channel once again everyone. um, Today I'm gonna be installing a dash cam into my 2010 Toyota Corolla. I have a dash cam V1 basic here, and I will be installing it into this car. And the reason why I'm getting a dash cam is I'm pretty much driving on highway most of the time, and then I just need something in case of an accident happen, be able to have a record. And you all know these days a lot of drivers are reckless on the road, and a lot of road rage out there. So while you're being careful, you want something that's gonna document whatever you do. I got a Brexton dash cam here. It's the V1 basic. This is a 1080p cam. It's not a 4K. It's just a regular high definition, and it has, this is the cam itself. The camera is right here. It's high definition 1080p. It has a 2.4-inch screen. It has a wide angle of 170 degrees wide. It can also loop recording. It has a timestamp on it, and one good thing is it had a collision sensing. If you run into an accident, it's gonna lock whatever recording at that point, and it's not gonna let it go. So this is, I love the design. It's pretty much sleek. I'm just gonna have it somewhere here on in front of me, and the reason why I want it here for me is because I don't want to be able to see the screen while I'm driving. I just wanted to keep recording, so I'm just gonna, and it's not gonna affect my rear mirror at all for any reason. So that's why I love the design. It's not gonna be on my way. Memory card, this particular memory card for recording purposes, this is 256 gig. This is a Samsung Evo Select. For this particular dash cam, you advise not to use a SanDisk disc in it. So I went for top quality one. I went for Samsung. I will leave the link to buy this in the description below, and also for the dash cam. So I'm going to show you how to kind of professionally install it. You're not going to have wire dangling in your way. I'm going to install the wire all across here, and then come down and then go behind the glove box. And you see this place? Yes, since my cigarette light is here, I'm just gonna get my wire out of here. So I'll be taking this part out to run the entire wire. So that's what I'm going to show you. It's just a basic camera. So it's not, they have high quality ones. They have the 4K. They have the one that has a GPS connected to it. They have the one that has the rear camera, that you can also include the rear camera. But for me, I'm just going for the basic for the purpose of me recording while I'm driving. And the settings I'm going to be having on it is, it's pretty much going to record when I turn on the car, and once the car is off, it's going to stay on for a few seconds and then go to standby mode. So to get going, you need to wipe the area where you think you're going to put the camera, remove any dust lingering over there. Kind of wipe with it. Just get it to remove any dust. It's gonna be in there. Just wipe. So after wiping, you want to get your mount and the 3M sticker, adhesive stick that you're gonna use on the screen. You put that at the back of it and get the camera ready to go on it. Well, I'll show you one trick in a moment. You got a sticker on it, and you peel the other side. But before you do that, you get the camera right. See the orientation where it's gonna go inside there. Push it. Do not hook it up. So with this, the way it's standing right now, you're gonna peel the back, the other back of it, this way. get the camera in such position that locks with it this way. Do not hook it in. Then the next thing you want to do is to find a perfect spot. You want to put the slide the camera to have a view in there. Push it on and then get the camera off. Now you press this with force and let this sit for at least 20 minutes before you put the camera on it. So while we're waiting for that, we're gonna go ahead, put a disc into this and format it. So while I'm waiting for the adhesive to stay there for 20 minutes rather, I'll go ahead and plug this and then get my camera started and format it all. So I'm gonna go ahead with hardware wiring of the entire camera while I'm still waiting for the adhesive to stick. So I'll show you that. I'm gonna turn this off, turn my car off now, and show you how this thing will go off when you turn off your car. My car is turned off now. You see it goes to sleep immediately. So since I know my camera is gonna be here, sitting somewhere here, so the wiring is gonna go all the way from here down to this side. I'll take this side off, I'll take this glove box off, and I'll take this thing off as well because I want my wire to go right in here. So to start with, I'll start with this side. I'll show you how to take this off. It's pretty much easy. Just grab the side rail. You're gonna grab the side rail like this, pop. See, this one is off first. Put it somewhere down. Come off to the other side. Do the same thing. Pop it up. Put it inside too. And then you get side off. You take one off and take the other one off. I just want to get this thing out of my way. That's all I'm trying to do. And to do that, you can pretty much bust this. You see, pull on the side, then it's out of your way as well. And this two screws out so I can get this cigarette light placed off, and I'll pass my wire through this hole. So I got my Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to take this Phillips head screwdriver off here. So now use both of my hands. Now this is where I need to move the gear to the side, back a little bit, and then just get it into neutral. Get your handbrake on. Get that out of my way. Now I don't need to disconnect anything. I just want to be able to push wire through here, right here, and I want to pass it through the back. There's a hole right in there. It's already pre-drilled. You can see the hole. That's what I'm trying to get it into. Now I got the wire through the hole and back now. So I'm going to pass it through in here. But before I do that, I need to also get this glove box out. And to do the glove box, you just got to make sure you clean out your glove box compartmentary and then get everything out. Now you open up your glove box. Now, see side. You open this side, you pop. There's a clip right here. Right here, pop it open. And there's another one on the side too. Yeah, so the clip, one clip here that goes in somewhere here, and there's another clip that goes into the other side here. So this definitely bring out your glove box, and then so still holding it right here, you can pull it out, and then your glove box is down. Now you have access. Now you have access to everything happening around here. Pick up my wire right here. This cable, I'll pass it right here, and I'll find my way up down here to the top a little bit to see into my cigarette light here. Plug it in this way, so I know when I keep pulling, yeah. Plug in my clip, my cigarette light clip back. So I'm gonna push this in back, set it where it's supposed to be. Pretty much what I've done is push the wire through here, and then have my cigarette light. It's right here, and I can just cover it this way, leave it opening that way, and I don't have wire dangling anywhere out here at all. So this is pretty much safe over here. So I'm gonna continue with this, put my wire through here, and then take down. I got this up, open. Now I need to walk on my wire all the way up in here, and then open this guy as well. You know what I've done? This is how much of wire I need outside to be dangling, and I already push everything through here at the top right here into the side, and I just tuck the rest of the wire instead of leaving them dangling into the side. So you see my glove box, where they have everything, and then back inside here. So that's pretty much what I've done. There's not going to be any wire dangling. So what I need now is to start pushing this back, cover it up. Time for me to put this back, put the glove box back, put cover everything back here, and then put my camera on. Glove box is in. Now I need to put my camera on now. So sure, this is pretty much sitting here for more than 20 minutes. Now this is the camera. You can just go ahead and lay it in. So this is how it's sitting in there now. You can see from here I can't see the camera, so it's not gonna be in my way when I'm driving to be like, hey, what's this camera doing? But if you look under here, it's right here. So another thing will be I need to plug in the power cable, and then like I told you, the rest of this thing, the wires out here needs to go inside. All right, got them tucked in. You see, that's the only wire you're gonna see out. This wire, you don't see any other wire outside. You don't even see anything dangling like this, so it's just plugged in. I'll leave this way, and that's it. So let me turn on my car and see how that looks. Yeah, you see the camera came up. Pretty much this is the installation. I'll show you how it looks like right here. So this is how it looks from outside. It's not really that bad. So that's the installation of the dash cam. Please like, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, share this video, and after a while I'm gonna give a review of how the camera actually functioning. I also have videos on how to install this head unit plus the reverse camera. Like I have this it goes into reverse mode. You see that? I got that. And as well, I have a video on how to install remote lock entry into the system. And thank you so much for tuning in this time. I appreciate it. God bless. See you again. Cheers.